Hey guys, now we'll see how to use head tag in Next.js. So basically we'll see how to use like write title of the page, meta description and other stuff what which you do in normal HTML. Okay. So firstly, this is my index page. You can see normally index is written and you can see if you go to inspect, head is completely empty. I mean this is coming from the global, but I want this head tag to add data about this page, or maybe I can build a new page. So I will just say about.js and rfce, and I can just make it h1, and this will be about. Oh, what happened to me, guys? Yeah, now I'll say slash. So you can see these are some meta tags by default given by the Next.js. Okay, now I want to add my own, and there's no title, no this link tag also being given by some like what do you say, Next.js only. So what we can do, we can say import head from next head. Okay, normal. Now here I'll build a components like in react fragment. Okay, now here I'll wrap into a head tag, open close head tag. Firstly I'll say title. Say it's auto completing, showing me about. If I go here, reload, I got the title as about page. I want to put a meta tag which says name equals to about, and content will be like this is about page of company. Okay, normal. Then close meta tag. Come here. If you go here head tag, so meta tag and all those stuff used for SEO, guys, you already know. And you can see it, yeah, we got the name, content, automatically the meta tag in the head. So these are something you can do. Now you want to load some links, so you can just say link and rel equals to icon, and here you can tell where your favicon icon is. So I'll just say it's in public slash favicon dot ico. Okay, so you can see it's some icon is here, I'm using that, and self closing tag. So it's Next.js only. So if I use this image one, I'll just say one.jpg. So it's a normal this image, tree image, you already know. Save it. See, we got this tree image. So you can change the icons also of every page you want. Okay, so this is one page, we are using head tag. So any page you want, in index page or about page, home page, just use this tag. Okay, it will work completely fine. You want to add any external link, that will also fine, no problem. Just put a link here, maybe a bootstrap link. So maybe let me check bs4 bs5 js bs5 cdn. Okay, yeah, bootstrap 5. So we have got this bundle. Okay, it's in the script tag. Okay, uh let's just put it this only in this head part. Okay, now let's just save it. Cross origin I have to change, I think I just forgot, because it will throw error for cross origin. Oh, what, where I'm going? Yeah, okay, yeah, I think working, but cross origin I have to change to like non-refer or something like that. Okay, so I think we loaded the bootstrap class. Now to show you, I can just say class name, center, maybe I can use a button that will work best. I have a normal button, normal. Okay, so we got normal button, and I put a class name button dash primary. Reload. Oh, I think we have to install that and import the CSS. See, external synchronous scripts are forbidden. So I mean, these are forbidden by the Next.js only, so that we can't do anything. You have to install Bootstrap, then it will work. But other than that, you can just load any scripts and all that. It will completely work fine, no problem. Okay, guys. So this was it about how to use head tag in Next.js.